Brian with Waketech Marine here. We are going to show you how to remove a throttle for a Malibu boat. This particular one has the luxury version of the throttle. Yours may look a little bit different, but the throttle itself is the same. The tools you're going to need for this job are going to be a 3/32. That's 3/32 Allen key. And you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver number 2. You could use it on a screw gun, but be very careful because they are only threaded into the plastic that's behind there. You're going to take your 3/32 Allen wrench and you're going to put it in this way into the Allen key. Be sure to push this forward. That's how you loosen it. So I want you to loosen that up until this comes loose. This is a cover plate. You take that cover plate, you lift that cover plate off. What you're doing is you're loosening up that lock nut, and that's keeping the cover plate on by allowing it to fit into this right here. There's a little lip right there. Now you're going to loosen up all of the Phillips, remove them, and then after you remove all of these, your shifter will pull out. You're going to pull down towards the top and wiggle it out, because the wires that are on the bottom fit in this little gap right here. So those wires are what's preventing you from taking it off. So it may be a little bit tight, but that's how you're going to pull it off. Now what you're going to have to do is remove the connector, and now you're going to have a complete unit that's going to be sent into us, or you'll take this one and remove it and then put your new one in, or you can take this one in and have it sent to us and we'll get it remanufactured for you, or you can install your new one at this point. Installing the new one is pretty much just as easy as clipping this in. There's only one way for it to fit. Clips in like that. When you're removing it, you're pushing these two in and you're pulling it out. When you're putting it back in, there's only one way for it to go. Clip that in, slide this in, kind of hook the bottom, and work it back in, just like that. Then reinstall the screws. And go. And after you reinstall the screws, be sure to turn on your boat and try and make sure that when you push this button here and move it, that the blue light comes on here. That's what we're trying to do. Let me know it. Good. Okay, so after you install it, before you put in the cover plate, because it's still accessible, make sure that you can push this button here and you can move it and the blue light comes on, then we know it's plugged in correctly. All right, then you're going to install this plate back on. You're going to orientate it so that way the big one is in the front, the little one for the lights in the back, and your set screws on the bottom. Go ahead and go over, maneuver it down so you don't damage it. Hook it up on the top. It's got hooks. Push it down on the bottom. Then you're going to take your 3/32 Allen and you're going to tighten it by turning it towards the rear of the boat. So don't go super tight on there. We just want to make sure it's snug so it's not loose. And then you're all set to go.